Sus, grabe, umaapaw ang grasya. O, kunin natin yan lahat. Kunin ko itong kape. Gusto ito ni Chris ang kape, oh. Ayan, mga kaibigan. Ay, ang dami, oh, batir. Hala, sa damak-mak. Ano sa box. Kunin ko to kay kay Chris. Hala, grabe kadaming kape. Hala, grabe kadami. Mahal itong kape na to, ha? Kunin mo mga bater. May bater. Yan. Kunin mo yung mga bater sa ilalim. Ayan, oh. Hala, grabe kadagan. Ayan, oh. Sus, mahal ito, uy. Ayan, mga kaibigan, andito kami lahat. Sus, hindi ko na mabas. Ay, box. Kunin ko yung mga bater sa ilalim.
Tingnan yung sus na ko.
Ako sa butter, ikaw sa almonds.
Sige. Ito.
Para makadala ko. Hala, grabe kadaming butter. Sus, mga kaibigan, nakakalula. Ayan, Yukang Life, kami, nag-collab.
Nag-collab kami ngayon. Yung Life at Inday Uling is...
Ayan, sumama ka na.
Sus na ko.
Oh, grabe creamy kang result. Sweet cream butter. Uy, ang mahal nito ba?
Ayan o.
Grabe kadami, bagong-bago, matigas pa.
Yes pa, kailan pa ito?
Matigas pa.
Tingnan nyo guys o.
Unsalted butter. Oh, tumagano.
Oh, sus na ko.
Sige, hala, grabe. Hala, mabuti nga pumunta tayo dito ngayon. Mabuti dumating kayo.
Dito mga SOP ito.
Yaya.
Sus na ko, dami.
Hala, grabe kadami na. Sige, dalhin ko na to. Ilagay ko, wala ka ng ano, no?
Ano, may karton pa? May karton to. Dami pa.
Hala, grabe kadami. Pamimigay natin to. Oh.
Bigay natin sa mga kasamahan natin.
Mga bag,
Grabe,
grabe. Ang problema nito, magpasya ba?
Hindi lang, ano lang ang lahat.
Uy, hala, ano yan? Bacon. Sige,
Bacon.
ganito, bacon. Ay, lagay mo sa bacon.
Yan, bacon pa.
Wow, grabe.
So, mga ano, mga gatas.
Maganda to, oh. Ang sulti pa to.
Yan, February 2025 pa guys.
Sus, matagal pa yan, uy.
2025
Matagal pa, matagal pa
Matagal
yan.
pa to sa mga ano, maabutan pa tayo ng mga ano na dito.
Hala, magpasang na ko nito.
Diyan lang muna play, eh, ano ko na yun mamaya. Yan o, sus, bater, grabe. Daming mga bater dito.
Kunin ko. Yung kang paki, yung karton ni kang, be. Kang na si Yukang. Kunin natin itong battery, pamimigay ko to.
Oh, yung bater, sayang eh.
Uy, ayan, oh. Ay, mayroon pang,
Yung sausage?
hindi, susit at saka ano. Bacon.
Bacon yan.
Hala, grabe kadami.
Grabe o, parang...
Wow.
Ako.
Ang gatas, dalhin, ano mo sa akin?
Ito.
Ano to siya? Ay, vanilla cream.
Lagyan mo.
Coffee cream.
Yung gusto mo yun?
Ano, tingnan mo, yung juice.
Yung juice?
Yung juice, yung orange.
Ito. Orange juice. Kailan to?
Ipasok ko.
Sabihin mo pa to.
Ano yung meron sa ilalim? Baka mayroon pang mga ano. Yung mga ano ba, bacon. Kaya dami na nating nakuhang ano.
Ano pa mga bacon?
Yung mga bacon ba? Ito. Ano yung juice natin? Daming juice. Wala, grabe. Ang tagal pa ma-expire.
Ayan, ang daming bacon na eh.
Maraming bacon?
Yan.
O yan.
Yan o. Tingnan nyo guys.
Importante
Maraming
yan.
pa o. Bacon o.
O, nasa ilalim.
Nako.
Sige.
Grabe. Ito pa.
Nadidi o sausage. O.
Yan.
Yan. Ay, ito, snack to, okay?
Ito po. Nako. Sayang to dahil. Marami pang
Ay,
makakain dito.
maraming bacon.
Ito.
Hala,
Oh, tingnan nyo.
hugas na ang katapat niyan. Kaya na,
Sus.
hala, alam mo ba?
Hindi na to kailangan.
Mag-ano
hugasan.
tayo dito, mag-milk ba tayo?
Grabe
Pwede.
naman to, oh. Ito, grabe. Pwede tayo mag-milk bath dito ba?
Sus, sinatapon, grabe, ang daming butter, oh. Sandamakmak talaga. So, ilagay ko na to sa car.
Sige. Ah!
Ikaw na naman. Tingnan na kasi. Uy, huwag ka mag-upo dyan.
Ano yung andoon sa likod?
Dito?
Nakabigat na lang yun, Nini.
Ako rin magpananay.
Sure ka?
Ako rin masana.
Uy, grabe. Natin dito, eh.
Tutak yun.
Hala, grabe si Yukang's Life. Surti talaga.
Sure ka talaga yun.
Surti talaga.
Kaya ako ang mahinaya pagbisita kay Inday.
Uy, may egg, oh.
Ha?
May egg, ano yun, kasi pagbibigay ko yan sa akin, ayan, halaman. Maganda to sa plants.
Yan po eh.
O sige na, isa-isahin ko lang to. kay medyo maano na.
No, butter, sorry.
How are you?
You want some?
Kunin mo yung box.
You want more? No. Okay.
Just,
Tingnan mga bater, may. Oh. Sus, naku.
Ayaw niya?
Ayaw daw niya. May pira
Ayaw
siya
nila?
patingin-tingin lang
May
sila.
pira daw siya.
Ah, mapira to. Mapira yan, mapira.
May pira siya.
Okay lang. Parang mayroon pa dong mga juice, oh. Sus, kadami. Kadami dito. Uy! Sus ko!
Nangalata ang milk.
Sa damakmak, ikaw na lang dito ang aatras ba?
Oo.
Kasi sobrang dami.
Yan pa ngayon, ang dami pa.
Pants, oh, basta na kay gatas.
Yan nga eh.
Grabe, oh. Dito banda. Ito. Hala ka. Ito, dahil natin yung kay ilagay ko yan sa aking garden.
Ano pa, Day?
Itong mga egg. Yung may
Ah,
egg,
yung may egg.
mapamataba yan sa garden.
Yun ang ginagawa mong fertilizer.
Ang fertilizer. Ano to? Organic, oh. Kapanhap. Uy, may bacon pa, oh. Nasa ilalim pala yung bacon.
Christmas na yan.
Mga bicol.
Sus, maganda talaga pag kapitbahay tayo ba? Kay
Kaya nga.
ang bigat-bigat nito.
Grabe yun.
So glad you are here.
Oh, hi!
Hi.
I'm so glad you are here.
Yeah?
You came here?
Oh my God, I got so much.
Oh, what did you got?
I wanted to get, there's more bacon over there in the corner.
Yeah, we need bacon.
I wanted to come here to get a little bit more butter, that's it.
You want
Oh,
more
there's
butter?
auto butter.
Oh yeah,
This is, what's your name?
Barbara.
This is Barbara and my friend.
Hi.
You can slide.
You can slide.
Yeah.
Sige. What kind of butter you want? Like this?
Unsalted?
I only need a fork. I already
What
took
did
so
you
much.
buy?
I'll show you a video.
Ah.
You have some more
Kilala mo
meat?
yun? Kilala mo.
Yun yung namasura din na sinabi ko
In
sa
that
iyo na.
corner where he is,
Teka,
that's
tinan
where
mo,
bacon is.
Oh my
I couldn't get all of it.
What you got?
What do you want?
Yeah, we need
Yeah.
bacon.
You meant bacon? Yeah.
No, marami na daw siya.
Ah, marami
Siya
na.
pa lang nauna dito.
Ah, okay. Kaya bumalik siya dito, guys.
Yeah, bumalik siya.
Tingnan nyo, guys, yung mga ano, mga Amerikana dito. Bumalik
Ang
na siya
dami.
dito.
Sige, para makadala din tayo, makadala kayo ng bacons.
I'm so glad you're here.
Yeah,
This is awesome. Hold on, I'll show you.
You have bacons and water?
Naku.
Yes, well, you have roast.
I got the orange juice. There's more.
Oh yeah, we have orange
Yeah.
juice.
You want some orange?
Oh, no.
No,
No
sorry.
less, okay?
Yeah, yeah. Sorry about that. Yeah, you want juice or anything?
No, I don't want anything.
Okay.
You want everything, yeah?
You take everything.
Yeah.
Oh. Hala, grabe kadami.
I said anything here.
Yeah, that's okay because you're insider. Ah, that's okay na to. That's okay na to.
You don't want any more egg whites?
No, we have plenty in there.
Yeah.
Plenty in the car, so... Yeah, I think... Yeah, now butter. You want more?
I'll just take maybe a couple of those.
This
Do you
one?
have-
Yeah.
Do you have plastic in there we can use?
Sure.
If I can have, please.
Yeah.
Thank you.
We have this one and
Yeah. This one, yeah.
So we can add some more butter.
Yeah. Dito
Wala na tayong box eh.
Wala na
Puno na eh.
Puno na.
So I'm asking for plastic if she can have.
Tingnan nyo dito. Sana kumuha ka na tayo mga sus. May cook
Ay,
here.
dyan na pa yung plastic sa suot mo. Yes, thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. No, because our stuff is already full. So, kunin natin yung butter kay pamimigay natin.
Ayun nga.
she's so good to me.
And then, yeah, yun yung ano ko. Kasi binibigay ko din sa kanya eh. Binibigay ko din sa kanya yung ay, isipare ko dito yung mga coffee. And then, kukuha pa tayo ng mga uy, alam mo ba? Parang, asan yung ibang almond milk?
Ito?
Yeah, lagyan natin din.
That's a Le Creuset. That's a nice bag.
Which
Yeah,
one?
yeah,
This
yeah.
one?
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
an
this one.
expensive
This
bag. No,
Ah,
this.
this one?
Oh!
It's a Le Creuset. That's an expensive bag.
Oh! Thank
know that,
you.
right?
Yeah.
Baka sinong gusto ng mga gatas.
You want more this blue one or?
No, take it all.
Yeah.
You know you could put it in the freezer and it'll
Yes.
still be good for 2 years.
Yes, oh yeah.
Okay, 2 years.
Yes. Get the blue one too, the unsalted.
Let me look for more bags. You want this?
I'm gonna fill this up. Thank you. I'm gonna fill this up, then I'm gonna ask you some more.
So you put some in the freezer, is it right?
Almonds milk.
Hindi na to kaya to.
Kunin natin ang mga butters.
Ako, nagkulab kami ngayon ni Daironing. Grabe.
Yan ang mga unsalted. Oh, sayang no. Grabe ka sayang.
Hindi talaga to napaniwala.
Ayan mga kaibigan, ang dami. Wala, baka mayroon pa din sa ilalim na mga ano. Anong sabi niya? Ang dami daw ano eh, bacon. Wala.
Ako, nagsandamak sa katutak.
Ayan, pamimigay natin kung sinong gusto nito. Oh my goodness, ang dami na talaga, no? Ano to? French vanilla coffee.
Here. Do you use that?
Yes.
It's not good for you.
Oh, really?
Because,
Okay.
because it has so much artificial stuff.
Oh.
It's not good for you.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
So
okay.
which one we got these almonds.
That
How about the coffee? How about the coffee? Are they good, right?
um,
The coffees.
the coffees are good.
Yes.
Coffee is good,
Yeah,
yeah.
the
My
coffees
husband
are
will
good.
drink this, so we'll bring the
Oh,
coffee.
I saw all this butter and I said, oh my god.
A lot of butter and coffee. They're still cold. Did you just throw these?
No, this morning.
Oh, okay. They just throw it.
10:45 this morning.
Oh, it's not quite long.
No,
That's why
still,
it's still cold.
still cold.
Girl, I got you covered.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
You can please the
This is for Christmas, yeah?
the
When I
coffee.
come here, she says, take whatever
The
you
coffee.
want. So she's sweet.
Thank you.
The manager.
You got more coffee?
I have coffee at home.
Okay. Did you got these?
Yeah,
Oh, good. Okay, I'm gonna bring this.
I don't want it.
Now
I
we
have
can.
no room. Look, you got over there, take them.
We have more bacon
You know what
in
else
the.
is good? The iced tea should be good.
This
Oh, the
one?
iced tea.
No,
This
The iced
here?
one.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
You want that?
I don't want it.
Okay, I'll take it.
I have it.
Yep.
Tell me you got
We'll
room.
take it because Chris.
Don't mess up the chair. Come on, you're messing up the chair.
It's too. I'm too small.
Yan, grabe dito guys. Nako.
Ay, di pasyagin.
Nakabanga. Matindi yung labanan dito sa mga basura.
So,
Over there, orange juice.
You want this? Orange
No.
juice?
Yeah, right there.
This
Under.
one.
Put your hand to the over there. Yep. Where you were just for. There's orange juice.
Orange juice.
Right there. Move that. Move that. Yes, that one.
This one?
Move it.
kanawa.
And you're gonna see
Naka-electric,
I
naka-electric ka.
will. I will.
Electric
when I see
ang
you
iyang
next
sakyanan.
time, I will give you your bag, okay? I'll give you this when I see you.
Don't
again.
worry about it. You know what you need? You need to keep it.
Are they still good?
What's this?
Oh yeah. I mean because they're dripping. What is that? Yeah, what I mean they're dripping. Does the milk?
Is it still
Milk
sealed?
dripping because milk is on top of it.
Is it
I
still
took some
sealed
and I
then?
stabbed it and I
Oh,
broke
good.
some. But then when it gets crushed, it gets
Uh-huh.
damaged.
Yeah.
See, I told him where the orange juice
Grabe,
is.
ang dami.
Oh, there's one more. There's one more. Here you
And
go.
look how cold it is. And it's from
It
this
is still
morning.
cold.
Maybe there's some more bacon and sausage in the bottom.
No,
I think so.
it was over there.
Oh, it's over here.
Tell me you could take some more butter. If not, give it to me.
Yeah, give it to her.
I'll give it to my
Give it to her.
neighbor.
Oh my goodness. Kailangan ng nila itong kunin today.
Look at this.
This is massive.
Massive, massive jackpot.
Yun po, tingnan nyo guys.
Yung iced tea doon, yung kang palihog. Please, thank you.
Nayam ba?
Oh my gosh.
Manimaho na yung
I
kagawan.
give it to Here. It's yours because I already got the sweet tea.
Oh my God. I'll give it to my neighbor.
Yeah,
You don't
give it.
want it?
No. How about the juice? Do you want the juice? Is this okay? I'll keep the juice because my kids.
If you can't take it, I'll give it to
talaga.
my neighbor.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
I'll
you
take it.
Kahording ka na sabi dito ng mga ano-ano pa. Eh, may limunin pa oh.
look at it. It has cane sugar.
Oh, that's healthy. That's healthy.
Regular sugar.
Here, there's some more.
Some more.
I don't. If you don't want it, I'll
Yeah, give it to your neighbor. There, you know, it's.
Take it.
I live on a street. I have a nice house, but I live on a street where poor people live, and I give to them.
Yeah, that's alright.
Yeah, she's nice.
You have
She's
the father, okay?
She help other people, you know.
Tama na siguro yan. Ang dami. Ala ka. Hawakan mo sa...
Hindi na makalos. Sobrang bilis. Bitches.
Ibutang sa bangko.
Guys, nagubutas na yung ano natin. Nagubutas na yung arm natin sa...
I came for a little bit more butter because somebody asked
Tingnan nyo.
if she'll take some.
You can put it on the, ano,
What?
on the
Yeah,
pan.
yeah, I put it there.
You know what?
Is that
I
all?
would love to get your phone number.
Yeah.
Maybe you want some more of this butter. I got so much already. Here,
There's more
This is
here.
yours.
No.
this is yours because we have so much.
There's more. I'm gonna take more. You take
Okay,
it.
here, that's good. We enough.
I'm gonna give somebody-
Awa na si Inday, oh.
I gave somebody a carload.
Kids to pick up in school and sometimes I go there, you know. So that's why only if I can have
I
time.
gave somebody a whole car full of
What do you want, these?
Yeah, I'll take these.
More bags? You have more bags?
Not that like the ones you have.
Oh, okay.
I'll take the good ones. The reason why.
You don't have bag anymore.
I just have those plastic bags that. Oh, you know what? I might have one. That I'm saving.
The plastic, we can put. Sus, na-invest na tuloy tayo nito.
Okay na na ikaw.
Okay lang, baliktarin lang natin.
Ayan, galing. Ayan, Yan, tingnan nyo guys. Ako.
See, when you get older, you're gonna have money.
Mhm.
Because you're smart.
We can save money, you know? Butter, and we
How
can.
many years I've been doing this?
I see that. I like your car, you know?
It's a hard. It's a
Ay,
hard.
huwag kang magsabi sa kanya.
What did you say?
I said she's looking at me. She said I'm famous because of dancer. Oh, no, she's just talking because we're doing this. Saving.
You know why it's a hybrid? So when I stop and search,
I know.
garbage dumpster people
I
need to
know.
go have a nice car.
That's
That's
right.
right. Here.
And a room, right? A room for stuff.
Uh-huh.
This is yours, okay?
No!
No, come on.
You
That's
get it,
What am I
yours.
gonna do with it?
Oh, there's ham. What's this?
I think that's old, but check it.
This is yours, okay?
Oh my god.
Because so you can give it. Oh, I want
No,
that.
no, I don't. That's old. I remember that.
Yeah, yeah.
Ah, okay.
What did you do? Make a mess with the eggs? What's the matter with you?
Where's the eggs?
Let me have some. Right,
Ah,
know,
that one?
That's eggs. Egg
Oh,
white.
oh, we have that. We have
We have
that.
that already.
We have
Can I
plenty.
have the blue?
The blue one here?
Yeah, I'll give it to
Oh, you want the
somebody.
blue one?
Yeah, this.
She want the egg, so
But I want
it's.
the nice ones. 'Cause
They're all nice. Look, look, look.
He's giving me bad ones.
Here, look.
Sorry.
Give me one that's not.
Just put it back if not.
Here, they're nice one. Look.
Look.
Okay. I put it in your car.
No, you take it.
Oh my goodness.
Nawala daw ang sound. Ah, may sound.
Kami, bakit na kami?
Oh yeah, I know this. I know this. That's why I came. This is my 5th time coming here.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
5th time.
Ito pa. Nawala daw yung sauce natin, mga kayukangs.
Asan
This
ba?
is America.
Wow, that's
Let me have the
crazy.
coffees and I'll maybe
Yeah.
give it to some other people.
Yeah,
You want
give it, give it. No, I have so much.
So much.
I have so much already. My freezer full.
May sound na yan? Be?
Gusto pala kayo kung lang.
Ansa naman na siya eh.
Okay, that's good. That's good na.
Saan po yung ano?
Got more?
Nawala yung sounds daw. Mayroon na bang yung sounds natin dyan, mga kayukangs?
I have plenty also. I think we got enough.
You have milk all over you. What's the matter with you?
Just gonna have shower.
Hala, grabe ang daming nakuha. Grabe. Grabe ang daming nakuha, mga kaibigan. Sayang, oh. Sus, ko massive jackpot talaga. Ayan. Grabe kadami. Grabe kadami.
Oh,
Ayan, ayan.
ang dami nang nakuha ni.
Isara na nato itong car.